Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Now, I welcome you back to the online session of recording. Now, what is coronavirus? The name that has changed the lifestyle of human beings. But it is not the end. Rather, it is the new start of a new journey that will make us more strong, adaptive, and change the perspective of humanity. Now, we are not going to be afraid of this. We are going to face this with boldness, bravery. We are going to use the sanitizer, the mask, social distancing, and we are going to face it happily. At home in holidays, to stay active and healthy, we all learned certain things. We did certain activities. We learned yoga, did meditation, learned how to cook, did origami, shared bedtime stories with our parents, with our grandparents. They shared their childhood experiences when they were small babies, which would have not been possible otherwise. So it has certain good aspects also when we are at home with our parents and grandparents. During the holidays, I practiced dancing, drawing, painting, music, but I also revised what I had done in my classes till now. So I welcome you all for the skills which we do in the maths. The two main skills that we do in mathematics are, we all missed you, and you must have also missed your class. So the two skills which we do in maths are the problem solving skill and the spatial understanding skill. Now, what is the problem solving skill? Problem solving skill enables us to control. It is an important skill. It helps the important and enables him or her to exert control over the environment. Problem solving skills gives a mechanism for identifying things, figuring out why are they say so and how are they different from the other things. For example, if anything is broken, we can determine the course of action to fix it. Or if we need to give or take something in our daily life, it deals with small problems we come across in our daily life. The patterns, the addition, the subtraction, anything which we come across. The life goes on and on. The life doesn't stop, it goes on and on. Problem solving skills help us to determine the course of a problem and find an effective solution. Some key problem solving skills include active listening. We should first listen to the problem actively. Once we have listened to it actively, then we should analyze it, redefine the problem, follow a system, follow certain steps, rules, and consider every position as though it is your own. Then decide and act. So while doing a problem solving sum, you all have to be very vigilant. You have to first think, analyze, and then solve it stepwise. We have to, if we have a good understanding of situation and its implications, we'll be able to decide on the right course of the action more effectively and efficiently. So we should all try to deal with problems more effectively, and whenever we do solve any problem, suppose I had 20 marbles and my mom gave me 10 more. So how many marbles I have now? 30 I have added. On the way, if I found my friend and I gave her 5 marbles. So what I have to do? I have to subtract. And I from 30 minus 5, 5. Now I have 25 marbles with me. So today I'm going to tell you the story of 4 friends. There were 4 friends. One was Bull, one was the monkey Jojo, and their friend called Thud. Earlier we had been solving some problems, the math problems, in the simple way, using only the numbers. But now we are not going to write down the numbers. We are going to write down the sentence. This is called the word problem. When we write anything in sentence, then it is called a word problem. So let's begin with the story. Okay. First, we have to read the problem and understand what are we supposed to do. Add, multiply, or divide. Now, let's look at the example of word problem in addition. There were 4 friends. Jojo, Gul, they want to make a garland for their friend Thad. It is his birthday. So they all went to collect the flowers. And after some time, they came back with the flowers. First, the Gul, the doggy, he came with 1,152. Then the Jojo, the monkey, he came with 1,243 yellow flowers. The third friend, he came with 957 white flowers. So they have the enough flowers to make a big garland for their friend. Third, the elephant. How many flowers do they have all together? So now we are going to add them. Number of flowers Gul collected is 1,152. The number of flowers Jojo collected is 1,243. Then the number of flowers Crow collected is 957. Now, what we have to do? It's written all together, means we have to add. Now, to add them, what are we going to write? We are going to write down in the under THHTO. Gul collected 1,152 flowers. Jojo collected 1,243 flowers, and Crow collected 957 flowers. So once we have written them down under thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. So we are going to add them. At ones place we have 2 plus 3, 5, and 5 plus 7 is 12. What are we going to do? We are going to write 2 here and 1 is carried over. In the same way, at tens place, we have 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, and 1 plus 1 is 15. So we are going to write 5 down and 1 is again carried over. In the same way, in the hundreds place, we have 1 plus 2 plus 9 is 13 and 1 is carried over. So now we have 3,352 in all. Total flowers collected by all 3 friends are 3,352 flowers. Now in the word problem, the answer should also be in the form of a sentence. As the question is in the form of sentence, in the same way, the answer should also be in the form of sentence. How many flowers do they have all together? So we are going to write down the 3 statements. First statement, number of flowers collected by Gul equals to 1,152. Second statement, number of flowers collected by Jojo equals to 1,243. Third statement, number of flowers collected by crow, 957. Now the answer should also be in the sentence. If we write the answer in number, it will be wrong. So the answer should be written as in sentence form. So what answer we are going to write? It should be the complete sentence. We are going to write the final answer as the total number of flowers they collected is 3,352. Now, the second skill which we have used is the special understanding. The special understanding or the awareness is the ability to aware oneself. It is an organized knowledge of an object in relation to oneself in that given space, in the particular space. Special awareness also involves understanding of relationship of objects when there is change of position. Spatial understanding is defined as an ability to imagine things in three-dimensional, 3D shapes. You remember? Spatial reasoning is an excellent way to learn math as it gives us means to visualize the math in our heads. We can use things like blocks, shapes, papers, which help us to understand it more better. Now, in spatial understanding, we take the chapters like shapes, data handling, fractions, which deals with something, shapes or something. So, it is the link which you can use and as different and to see the video on shapes, different types of shapes such as cube, cuboid, sphere, and so on, cone and other things. Now, thank you for watching this video. I hope you all like the video. Have a nice day. Okay, bye. Nice being with you.